Hey guys, welcome to Track Team channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you hide your Instagram app. So you need to go to where all the apps are shown. Here you need to swipe to left for 2 times. After 2 times swiping, you can see a pattern or your fingerprint. Here you can put your pattern or fingerprint. Just like putting my fingerprint, you can see in the bottom blue button add apps. Click on it. After clicking it, you can see all the apps will be shown to hidden. So I am putting Instagram to be hidden. Click on the top right black icon. After clicking it, you can see your Instagram is hidden. Now go back and you cannot find the Instagram app anywhere. So guys, this is how can you hide your Instagram app from your mobile. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.